Hello everybody, today we make eggs alla puttanesca. And we got the ingredient, everything over here on the table, and I want to start with the pecorino cheese, garlic, caper, olives, olive. I got my own make sauce. This one I was make this year, not too long ago. I got the video. I got the rosemary from my garden, parsley from my garden. I got my oil baby. I chop already. The oil baby, it's the hot pepper. And I got basil, and I got eggs, and I got ciabatta. Okay, now we start with the oil. And we leave warm up the oil a little bit. Okay, we got to start with the garlic. Now, I got the hot pepper. I like everything I make a spice. But you don't like hot pepper, no use. Okay, now, we start with the garlic. And make sure to not burn the garlic, all right? Look how nice, look at this. Okay, now we put my oil baby. And we give a nice turn like this. Okay, now we start with my sauce. Now we say, I hope I can open this sauce. Oh. The top. Okay, good. And this is my homemade sauce. It look beautiful. Let me see. So I got enough sauce. Yes, the sauce, it's enough. But you want more sauce, you can use more sauce, and you can make a nice dish pasta on the side, and you put the egg right on the top. Okay, now we leave start to bubble a little bit the sauce. When it start to bubble, I got over here all the spice. It's everything over here. Okay, we put the rosemary. It's one. Caper. Make sure the caper, the wash really good, it's really salty. I got the olives, olive. And I got the basil. And the basil, what I do, I chop with my finger like this. It give it more taste. With the knife, it lose all the juice. We give a nice turn. And I got the parsley. Okay. Oh, look at this now. Now it started to change everything. You got the green, the black, the house, the sauce, red, everything. Now this you gotta cook at least about 10 minutes. And after it's time to put the eggs. Okay, now the sauce is ready. Get ready for the eggs. But before I do this, let's put the ciabatta bread inside, and I put a little oil on the top. After we cross the nice, and I want to put a little garlic on the top. Let's put the bread, now the ciabatta, and now it's ready for put the eggs on the sauce. But before I put a crack, and I put inside, I want to make sure that the egg, when I take a crack, it come out nice, no broken inside the yolk. Okay, we started with the okay, this is good. And we put it right on one side over here. It's one. I want to put the little hole over here too. Okay, it's the last one. Okay, good. And we put it right over here. And now it's the time of the cover, and you gotta cook for 3 minutes. But you wanna cook long, okay, you know, like a little, you can cook long, it come more dry the eggs. And we cook. Okay, now the bread is done. We put it right over here on top of the stove. Okay, the eggs is done. And let's put it right over here. And look how beautiful it look. Really nice. Okay, the garlic it go on the bread, it got toast. And we put a little garlic, it give a really, really good taste. And look at this. And we put both sides. Little garlic over here on this side. And little garlic. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, we put a little parsley. Not too much. Okay. Okay, now it's time to taste my eggs puttanesca. And we take one. We put it right over here. A little bit more sauce on the side like this. And I want to put, before I put the cheese, I want to see my yolk. Look at this, how beautiful. Now, you want more cook, you can cook more. But I like this. And put a little pecorino cheese on the top. Beautiful. And with the ciabatta bread, and you can dip it with a little sauce right on the top over here. And the egg. Okay, now. Really good. You can taste the eggs, they come out really delicious. My sauce, all the spice I got, the olives, the caper, everything, it's delicious. You can make this eggs puttanesca, it's really, really good. And I want to say to everybody, thank you very much. I hope somebody make the same like I did. Thank you very much, and we see you next time. Thank you.
Ready?
No lights over there.
Oh, Joe.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I got ciabatta. Okay? I think that's really good in English. Ciabatta.